Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. I'm fine too. See what we have today. It seems like a beautiful wall clock and it has different things in it. What can you see in this? Yes, we can see some numbers and we can also see some shapes in it. And what are we going to do today? We are going to have a fun activity today. We will fix all these numbers into their exact positions. Let's start with the numbers first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yay! Now see, all these numbers are scattered here and there. What we are gonna do today? We will fix all these numbers into their exact place. So let's start with the number 1. Where is number 1? And what is its shape? Yes, it's circle in shape. Oh, here it is. Number 1. O-N-E 1. Let's go to your place 1. Take care. Take care. We love you, number 1. 1. Now, what shape is this number 2? It seems like a pentagon shape. Yes, this is matching with it. How many corners and sides it has? Yes, it has 5 corners and 5 sides. Let's go to your exact place 2. Take care 2. We love you, number 2. Whose favorite number is this? These are the sides 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yay! Very good. Okay, bye-bye. Number 2. Now what shape is this number 3? Yes, it is square in shape. Is it number 3? No. Yes, this is number 3. It also has 4 sides and 4 corners. And what shape is it? Yes, it's a square. A square. Do you know the spellings of number 3? Please tell me. T-H-R-E, 3. Now it's fixed. Now where? 3. Number 3. Oh, can you see it? What shape is it? Yes, it's oval in shape. It's oval in shape. This is number 4. Yes, 4. Can you spell 4? F-O-U-R. 4. Very good. Now where is number 5? What shape it is? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. And this is a triangle shape. A triangle. Very good. Now just find and fix it in its place. Is it number 5? Is it? No. Yes, this is number 5. Now just fix it. Go to your place. 1, 2, 3 sides. Number 5, a triangle. F-I-V-E 5. Where is number 6 now? And what shape it is? Can you see and judge its shape? You see this shape in the sky. Yes, it's a lovely star shape. We see so many stars in the sky. Where is number 6? Yes, here it is. It's a beautiful star. See how beautiful it is? Yeah. This is number 6. S-I-X, 6. I'll just start with number 7. Can you see number 7 and tell me its shape? Yes. This is heart shaped. Can you find it? Yes. This is number 7. Lap, tap, lap, tap, lap, tap. This heart is beating so fast. 7. A heart shape. 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Together. Now what shape is this number 8? Very good. Yes, it's a kite shaped. A kite. Yes. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Number 8. Very good. Yay. Now is the turn for number 9. 9. Where are you, number 9? Where are you, number 9? It's flower shape. Is it number 9? Is this? No. Is this? No. Where are you, number 9? Yes, here I am. How do you do? I am number 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Now, this seems like a different shape. Do you guys know this shape? What shape it is? Yeah, it's a trapezoid. A trapezoid. It also has 4 corners and 4 sides, but 2 of them are equal, but other 2 are not. Yes, a trapezoid. T-E-N-T. Now, the next is number 11. And what shape is this number 11? Yes, it's a diamond shape. A diamond. A diamond. What is this number? 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. This is the last number. What number is this? Very good. Yes, it's 12. It's hexagonal shape. A hexagon. Yay! We are done with all these clocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow! Now let's talk about the shapes: circle, pentagon, square, oval, triangle, star, heart, kite, flower, trapezoid, diamond, and yes, what shape it is? Yes, it's a hexagon. It has 6 corners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like in red and yellow. Did you enjoy this clock? Yes. Now it's moving. La 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 la. It's time to go. Oh, here is a little ant. It's working so hard like us. Take care. Bye bye. Littleness, and it's like number 1. Yes, it's number 1 ant. Bye bye. Take care, guys.